Yo, what's up? So today we are doing some more work on my Volkswagen 337. We're doing a little bit of interior work. My headliner is sagging down and the door panels are all coming up also. So I got some new headliner material we're gonna throw in. Also gonna do the pillars and everything so it all flows and matches real well. I ended up going with I got it from Joann Fabrics, which is a local fabric shop near me. I don't really know if it's anywhere other than Ohio, but what I ended up going with was like an Arctic camo, as you can see, and it's a jersey knit material, I think is what it was called. It's pretty stretchy, so it should fit into the headliner pretty good. So we'll come over here and show you what I'm talking about. Open the door up. As you can see right here, it's just kind of coming off, so I want to take that out and get it all redone up. Also, same with the headliner. As you can see, sagging down. It's nasty and dirty, so really need to throw a new one in there. And then I'll probably also do it on the pillars, and then also the pillars in the back and the pillars in the front. So that's what we got in store for today. So we'll get to pulling the headliner out.
afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
Alright, so just got all of the interior pieces out, got the headliner out. It was a pain to get all that stuff out, but once everything's done, it should look sick, so it'll all be worth it in the end. I'm getting ready to start tearing off the fabric on the headliner, and then on the pillars, I will also be doing the fabric with the pillars, and then I'm gonna get some black interior paint, and I want to paint these up, so those are blacked in. And then those I'm also going to cover in the fabric so they all match. And then these I'm going to take them apart and probably hot glue the body panels back in, because I think when you take these out you're not going to be getting those back in. So I'm probably going to have to hot glue it back in to make it work or something. I don't know, figure something out with it. But yeah, so it's all out. As you can see, there's like nothing left, really. So that was a whole lot of fun. The two hardest, I think, were there's two 10 mils underneath of here that holds this pillar on right here and right here. It was a pain not to drop those. I ended up dropping my 10 mil socket down in this little hole right here, but I was able to get a magnet down in there to pick it up. But other than that, a whole bunch of bolts, all the interior pieces sitting over here. Yeah, I mean, let's probably start cutting out the headliner for it. Just got the headliner all cleaned up. Got all the foam off of it. I didn't record all of it just because of how long it would take. Didn't want to edit it all out. But I took just a like a regular tire brush. It's not the soft bristle, it's a hard bristle. Just went over it all and then blew it off with an air gun. And that pretty much took care of all of it, and then kind of just swept up and everything. So all the shit's off of it. So as you can see, looking real clean. Getting ready to lay down the fabric right now and get it all set up. So there's like just some small little residue left over, but there's nothing, I don't think, that'll keep it from peeling up. So what I'm using to spray this thing is a 3M headliner adhesive. So hopefully this stuff works pretty good. I did a headliner before, my black Volkswagen that I have, and it ended up sagging down. But I used a crappier adhesive, so hopefully this will tack up and keep that thing up there. But anyways, let's get putting on the headliner fabric. And then that'll probably be it for this part of the video, and then I'll have part 2 of throwing all the interior back in. I need to get some interior paint. There's some little spots I want to touch up with to turn them from tan to black, so everything kind of blends in with the fabric. So that's left to do yet. That'll be in part 2 though, so this will probably be capping off after we get the fabric on. And yeah, so we'll throw down the fabric.
afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
So just got the headliner all finished up. Came out super good, laid better than the last headliner I did like 2 years ago, so super pumped on that. That'll be everything for part 1 of my headliner install and the pillars, wrapping all that with the custom fabric. So as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more, and keep in tune for part 2 of that, which will be coming up super soon. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.